Hello Etians! Welcome back to my channel. Good news naman tayo. SB19 member na si Philip Sazon sa kanyang fake faces. Update tayo, 1,000,000 views na. 1,000,000 views and counting ang kanyang video na fake faces sa YouTube Philippines. Kaya naman, congratulations! Keep on streaming, keep on viewing mga Etians, the power of Etians para kay Philip sa kanyang fake faces sa YouTube. 1,000,000 views na and counting. Kaya congratulations SB19, unlocked in 1,000,000 views. Congratulations again!